Sophie here, back with another YouTube video. Today we'll be talking about the Cybertruck. So it's huge everywhere, like California. Over 150,000 people ordered it. That's how huge it is. Well, I'm one of them. We bought it and we just saw the amazing features. My favorite feature is like the whole interior. 3 seats in the front, like driver, passenger, passenger. So, and the iPad and the marble countertop is amazing. I just love it. And the steering wheel is like a racing steering wheel. So, that's how I love it so much. And also, it could carry 14,000 pounds. But I got the 10,000 one, the dual motor, which comes out in 1 year, and the tri-motor comes out in 2 years, in 2022. And the first motor comes with the dual motor in 1 year, 2021. So, but the most best feature is, I don't know, like, probably how strong it is. I mean, it could carry 14,000 pounds. It could pull a Ford F-150 truck up a mountain. Is that not strong? Let me know in the comment section down below if you think that's strong. I think it's pretty strong. But it could the what do you call it? The roof or the bed of the truck. That's pretty cool. You can also put it as a solar panel. So like if you park your car outside, like not in the garage, if you don't have a garage, you can park it outside, and the solar panel will give it at least 15 miles of range, 15 more, so you could go farther. But the highest range, which is the tri-motor, is 500 miles. I got the 300-mile one, the dual motor, so it's a good deal. $40,000. Wait, no. Well, you guys could go check it out. Tesla.com on Safari, and you go to Cybertruck, order it, but you don't actually order it. It just says the first motor, the second motor, and the third motor. So go check that out after this video. And I had a soccer game today, this whole weekend. So if you guys didn't check out my YouTube videos, go check that out. And well, I hope you guys have a great day. See you. Peace out.